into this vlogging thing, but let's get into today's video. Hello, beautiful people of the internet. My name is Bree, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. But in today's video, I am going to be taking you into my mental health care day today, and let's get into today's video. So I'm just outside going on a walk with my puppy, and you might see her a little bit in the video. Come on. So this is definitely one of the things that helped me feel better mentally and physically, by just walking outside and also letting my dog enjoy the nature outside. My dog thinks she's supposed to smell every single Okay, so one of the things you must do on a productive day around your house is to clean your room, clean your living space, and that's what I'm about to start doing. And yeah. Okay, you guys, so a lot of the stuff I had got over the holidays was from Bath and Body Works over the holidays when they had their sale. If anybody knows me, they know I love Bath and Body Works. Okay, so you guys, I am very organized and a neat person, but I'm one of them people, I love to keep things when I get it or receive it, let it to stay in the same box that it came in, but really it's just taking up space. It's cluttering up my vanity on the top of my dresser. So I'm just going to have to eliminate the boxes, and that will create more space on the top part of my dresser. So this is how it looks after I decluttered everything. And yeah, everything is cleared off. I wish I would have showed what it looked like before, but I didn't think about that at the time. Okay, so for my self-care routine, these are just some of the things that I'm going to be using tonight. There are more, but these are what I'm going to be showing for the purpose of this video. I have my essential oil here. I can never get that word right, but I always say acephalithis. And I have my essential oil diffuser here that I got to put water in to get that going. I have my Olay moisturizer that I use every night. I have my facial cleanser here. And I'm trying out the aromatherapy Sleep Black Chamomile. I usually use the lavender vanilla, but this will be my first time trying it out. And I have my bath bomb here. And then I am also going to try to read a book. And so out of my book collection, I did pick Raina Biddy, A Song for Us. And yeah, I'm going to get into my self-care routine. This is pretty much what makes up my whole self-care routine for tonight. And I also added in my facial brush and a face mask, and I am going to get started into my self-care routine for tonight. I try to remind myself, despite the things that I am dealing with, there are